To Mr. Roshan Purohit for the machine control part of the presentation. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. In this part of presentation, I'll be talking about the connected site solution for a construction project and machine controlled technology and use of the connected site solution and machine control technology with some case studies and the benefit out of it. So the key message here is, an interesting things happens when you connect your office, people and machines. Productivity jumps, rework disappears, cash flow improves, profit soar. So that is the key, benefits that we are talking about in this part of presentation when we use the connected site solutions. So basically, there are three components in a connected site solutions: the connected office process, the field controllers, that includes the field sensors like total stations or GNSS systems connected, in real time with the office, and the machine control solutions. So all these solutions are wirelessly synchronized, where the design updates and progress reports that flow in real time, thus maximizing productivity and efficiency of the process. And this also facilitates us to do fleet and asset management. So we know exactly where the assets are, what they're doing, so that we can control it, we can manage it better. It also helps us in site productivity monitoring. For example, if a compaction control system is operating, we know what is the number of pass counts, what is the coverage map, we know the quality of data generated, whether whether the job has been performed properly or not. So all the information we can see in this connected site environment through this solution. So basically, all the informations are available at one site, at one place, where contractor, engineers, owners, everybody can access the data easily, and they can make quick and faster decision making because of this solution. Now, machine control is an integral and a very important part of connected site operations. So when we talk about machine control technology, it not only improves productivity and improves profitability, but at the same time, we are talking about improvement in quality and accuracy. And not to mention, we save lots of cost. So it makes, it enables confident decision making quicker based on the accurate construction data. Machine control technology are available on a range of machines, heavy machines, that includes the compactor, paving machines, milling machines, motor graders, dozers, excavators. So basically all the equipments that is deployed in a road construction project. Now I'll come to a few case studies, where the machine control use benefits has been determined. So the first case study is from Caterpillar Learning Center in Spain. So where a side-by-side road study was done using this one team of professionals, two identical road designs, and using the same set of equipments. So one road was constructed with machine control technology on it. The other road was constructed, without machine control technology. And the benefit is for all of us to see. There was substantial saving in fuel, substantial saving in time. Then there was substantial improvement in terms of accuracy achieved. Like subgrade accuracy achieved was 85% versus 35% through conventional techniques, and the base course accuracy achieved was 98% versus 45%. The second case study is from New Perth-Bunbury Highways construction project. It was one of the major projects in Western Australia. So it involved 70.5 kilometer of dual carriageway construction, 5 interchanges, 9 intersections, 19 bridges were involved. It's a very complex design. Almost 12 millions of sands movement were involved. Around 240 hectares of vegetation had to be done to minimize the environmental impact. Now, all the heavy machines in this project deployed were equipped with machine guidance equipment. And all these machines were connected in connected site in the supervisor vehicle as well as back in the office, so that the performance and the report can be tracked in real time.